Hi everybody, here Inigo from Barcelona, Spain, and I wanted to present my final project for CS50 Python. That it's a little script that generates invoices in Word and also in PDF format using a template from data from an Excel. I have a simple template and the script will substitute the variables with the data from the Excel. The Excel have mainly two sheets, one with information of the invoice, another with information of the client. All the information shown is only for demonstration purposes and fictional information that it's only to explain. And the code is quite simple. You run the script and it will display the last 5 invoices. For example, I wanted the 05. You can make any invoice here. It's only to remember the last ones, and we can go to the folder and open the document and see how all the information is populated. And also we have the copy in Word. We would to change something. I think it's really be useful. The code is quite simple. But if you want to take a closer look, I will link the repository on the description of this video. Also, I will summarize a bit what it does. First of all, it will get information from the Excel file and using pandas and put it into two data frames. Then we ask the user to input which invoice it wants, and then with this information it prepares a dictionary which it will be substituted in the template and saved as a as a Word file and also a PDF. I hope it will be useful and I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.